everyone, today I will show you how you can test your application on different devices, screen sizes and orientation at the same time. But before we get started, please note that running the app on multiple devices require a more powerful machine and may lead to performance issues. So please make sure your development environment can handle it. Let's get started. So in Visual Studio Code, we can use the Flutter run command with the /d all flag to run the app on multiple devices simultaneously. But we will need to install a third-party package called devicepreview to achieve this functionality, because the -d all flag is not supported in Flutter by default, and here is how you can do it. First, we need to install the package devicepreview by adding it to our pubspec.yaml file. So here is my pubspec.yaml file. I just copy and paste it here under dev dependencies. Save your file and get the package. Go on your terminal and write flutter pub gets to get all dependencies required. Here, got dependencies. Nice. Okay, once the package is installed, we need to modify our main application file. So for that, go to main, inside run app, copy and paste these 3 lines of code. That's it. This is what I did. I just copied and pasted these 3 lines of code, and of course import this package. Save your file again, and now you are all set. We can run our Flutter app. Well, you can check whether you have different devices by following these, but sorry for that. So just on your terminal again, just write flutter run -d all, and now you can wait a little bit. I'm not gonna wait for you, I'm gonna just show you the result directly. So this command will launch the app on all available devices, and you should be able to see the app running simultaneously on each device. I'm gonna show you from my side. Here for the Android devices, this for computer screen, and let me see, where's the other one? Oh, sorry, let me show you up. And here for all the iOS, like iPhone, etc. And this is not all. You can consider working only with one directory. For example, from this you can change and go to the Android, for example, small phone. Here is the result, and here this is where you can address and report any bugs or issue, and by the end optimize your app performance. You can go from here to the iPhone, for example, iPhone SE, and now this allow me to save lots of time. You can rotate here, hide frame. I mean, there's a lot of things to consider doing at the same time. You should try it. It's I mean, it really changed the game. Hope this video helps you. See you on the next one. Bye bye.